Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find general settings. Then let's tap on system navigation, which is at the top. And here, as you can see, we've got 2 different options, so 3-button navigation and gesture navigation. Of course, all you have to do is to tap on the option which you'd like to use. So first of all, I will explain 3-button navigation. However, it's quite obvious. We've got recent, we've got homepage, we've got back, homepage and recent. And here we can reorder back button and the recent. So it's of course up to you which configuration is better. If you wish to set the gestures, just tap on gesture navigation. And here, usually we will have this line, which is responsible for some gestures. Of course, it is displayed instead of the 3 buttons. You can hide it here if you wish. Just tap on confirm. And as you can see, now we've got clean screen. So if you wish to get back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center. And we just got back, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.